of paramount importance, there are two cases by the Honorable Okero which are paramount with regards to these proceedings. Honorable Senators, it is important to note that a suspension is a totally different thing from an impeachment. In this case, Honorable Senators, to better understand the dispute as against the Assembly, it is important that, Honorable Senators, you do have a correct chronology of events. The Honorable Okero was suspended, whether legally or illegally, on the 8th of October.
Point of order, Chair. How can council say that somebody is suspended legally or illegally? What does that mean to you? In other words, are you comfortable that we are holding these hearings illegally, for example? Council, what are you saying?
Honorable Senator.
Yes.
Our position is that the Honorable Okero was suspended on the 8th of October.
Just wait. Do we have a law in our books that suspends somebody?
Yes. Honorable Senator, whether there is such a provision or not.
No, what are you saying?
Order.
What are you saying?
Council, order.
Honorable Senator, is there in standing order number 51 of the Nyamira County Assembly.
Honorable Senator.
And that is, Senator, that is why I'm submitting.
Please give them time to respond.
Whether the suspension was legal, whether the suspension was legal or not.
Legal counsel.
Yes, Honorable Chair.
The question is asking is, by law, will the Speaker suspended or removed through a motion of notice of motion on, to remove him from the seat? It is suspended. Can it be suspended?
Honorable Chair, there was a motion to suspend him.
Okay.
And he moved to court and obtained orders stopping that suspension. However, there was no court order, and to date, there is no court order that stopped impeachment.
Okay.
Impeachment came after. And after the Honorable Okero was impeached, he did file a case in Kisii, being Petition 1. He wanted to set aside the impeachment proceedings and to stop the election of a new speaker. He did not get those orders. He was also never reinstated back as the Speaker of the Nyamira County Assembly. And in fact, Honorable Chair and Honorable Senators, there is a valid Gazette notice, as we speak to date, gazetting the Honorable Okero as an impeached Speaker. And that Gazette notice, to date, it has never been stayed, it has never been suspended, or it has never been quashed.
It's quashed, Honorable Chair. So the legal counsel is not telling the truth. I have the Gazette with me here. I can share.
I will give you time. Please order. You will respond.
Honorable Chair, Gazette notice number 14050 of 2024 is a Gazette notice that gazetted the Honorable Okero Ogori as an impeached Speaker.
Please give us the page of that one.
That it will be annex number 40 in the orange bundle.
Yeah, page.
That will be page number 223 at the top right. That particular Gazette notice is a valid Gazette notice which has never been overturned. And the Honorable Senators, the Honorable Okero Ogori in annex number 42, which is now to be found in our bundle in page number 235, he filed a case and he has sworn in his own affidavit in page number 200 and pages number 244. He has sworn that he was impeached. So we then have an ugly scenario where someone is in court challenging his impeachment, validly or otherwise removed, but at the same time, he is outside here holding parallel proceedings. Indeed, Honorable Senators, there are 3 Gazette notices which were made by the Honorable Okero after his impeachment. Those again are the subject of litigation in Nyamira petition, Nyamira JR number 7.
Page.
The 3 Gazette notices.
Yeah. It's good to go with you.
Yes. Just still on the issue of Gazette notices, the Honorable Okero even went ahead to publish a fake Gazette notice to be found in page number 283, purporting to resume the activities of the Nyamira County Assembly. Honorable Senator, the Gazette notices will be found in page number 248 and 249. Those 3 Gazette notices were published way after he was impeached, and he even went ahead early in this year to publish a fake Gazette notice, which upon inquiry from the government printers, the Gazette notice is to be found in page number 283. It was confirmed that that particular Gazette notice is not in existence. Honorable Senators, our prayer is that let Enoch Okero Ogori pursue his cases in court. And if the court finds any fault in his impeachment...
Sorry, we want to go with you.
Yes, Honorable Senator.
Where is the letter from the Gazette?
It's the one for the fake Gazette notice.
Yes.
It's page number 283 in the bundle of documents, the one which is orange in color.
Because we are still in 240 something.
283, yes. Honorable Senator.
Vic.
Gazette notice number?
Of dated